Let's go haul some corn. We're hauling the corn to Norpac, where it gets frozen and processed. I think they said it goes from the field to frozen in under 4 hours, which I think is really impressive. So as far as frozen goes, that's about as fresh as you can get. I think this is my favorite time of the year, when the summer starts changing into the fall. You start getting the cold, crisp mornings with the fog. You can see the finish line of harvest in sight. Just a fun time of year. And it's really fun hauling corn too, because there's kind of a community aspect around it. The farmers are all working together to get it done, and a lot of other truck drivers on the road hauling corn to the cannery, and everyone's really nice and friendly. We work some weird long hours though, this time of year. So the corn picker covers the ground pretty quick, and to keep the corn picker going, it takes 5 trucks, usually 4 or 5 trucks. And so we work together with another 3 farms in the area. And so the farm that's picking the corn has 3 trucks running, and then the other 2 farms each sends 1 truck, and we all work together to get the corn picked. So the corn picker fills up the tub first, and then once the tub's full, we go out there with the truck and pull in as closely as we can beside him, and he dumps that into us, and then after that we drive beside him and he fills the truck up directly. I think he's just about full now. We're gonna head over there. out of the truck, the corn picker driver gives me hand signal to move backwards or forwards, whichever area I need to fill up next. Corn's picking fun because you can really move through the field fast. It's a lot different than picking beans where you're just crawling along, it feels like. Corn picking, you can really cover the ground. The corn picker header grabs the stalk and rips it down, and then the ears kind of pop off and they get carried through the machine. And then there are a couple fans that blow the leaves out. Pretty similar to the bean picker. I usually back up, give him enough room to turn, and follow him over there to the other side. It's kind of a dance, almost. Waiting a little bit, huh?
Pretty good corn.
Yeah? Some dry spots out there, but let's make that other than good. Been filming a little bit this summer just for fun. Yeah.
Nobody gets to see that part of it.
Yeah. Yeah.